Welcome to this 3-bedroom home that sits on 2 acres. We're at 278 Belgrade Road in beautiful Mount Vernon. So the current owners have redone the kitchen and it is absolutely beautiful. I like the little accents that they've done. The nice countertops and the color of the cupboards. You're not going to believe this pantry. So this porch area is a really good opportunity to have a business here if you wanted to sell any goods or if you wanted to have a little farm here. So the first door into the house from the porch is this nice room that could be used for your business as well. I like these dark blue accents throughout the house. This is really lovely. See, if this was my yard, I would spend a lot of time over here just because it is so private. So the cool thing about this yard is this fenced-in garden area. And then there's the potential for pasture since we're on 2 acres.